Assalamu alaikum. By using this beautiful and colorful project, we can find HCF and LCM.
We will find the HCF of 45 and 90. Firstly, we find the HCF of 45. 1 is the factor of 45. 3 is the factor of 45. 5 is the factor of 45. 9 is the factor of 45. 15 is the factor of 45. 45 is the factor of 45. Now we will find the factor of 90. 1 is the factor of 90. 2 is the factor of 90. 3 is the factor of 90. 5 is the factor of 90. 6 is the factor of 90. 9 is the factor of 90. 10 is the factor of 90. 15 is the factor of 90. 18 is the factor of 90. 55. 30 is the factor of 90. 55 is the factor of 90. 90 is the factor of 90. Common factor
1 कॉमन फैक्टर है, ठीक है। उसके बाद आप लिखेंगे 3 कॉमन फैक्टर है, 5 कॉमन फैक्टर, 5 के बाद है 9 कॉमन फैक्टर, उसके बाद 15 कॉमन फैक्टर है, उसके बाद है 45 कॉमन फैक्टर।
40
यस। नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर कौन सा होगा? 45। वेरी गुड।
We will find the HCF of 8 and 12. Firstly, we find the factors of 8. 1 is the factor of 8. 2 is the factor of 8. 4 is the factor of 8. 8 is the factor of 8. Now we will find the factors of 12. 1 is the factor of 12. The factor of 12. 3 is the factor of 12. 4 is the factor of 12. 6 is the factor of 12. 12 is the factor of 12.
कॉमन फैक्टर
Common factor 1, 2, 4. Highest common factor 4. We will find the HCF of 12 and 16. Firstly, we will find the factor of 12. 1 is the factor of 12. 2 is the factor of 12. 3 is the factor of 12. 4 is the factor of 12. 6 is the factor of 12. 12 is the factor of 12. Now we will find the factor of 16. 1 is the factor of 16. 2 is the factor of 16. 4 is the factor of 16. 8 is the factor of 16. 4, 2, 4. Highest common factor 4. We will find the HCF for 20 and 40. Firstly, we find the factor of 20. 20 is the 1 is the factor of 20, 2 is the factor of 20, 4 is the factor of 20, 5 is the factor of 20, 10 is the factor of 20, 20 is the factor of 20. Now we find the factor of 40. 1 is the factor of 40, 2 is the factor of 40, 4 is the factor of 40, 5 is the factor of 40, 8 is the factor of 40, 10 is the factor of 40, 20 is the factor of 40, 40 is the factor of 40. Factor.
बोलो कॉमन फैक्टर
Common factor 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20.